Hello, welcome for this new video of Photoshop series. So in this video, I will try to demonstrate in how to combining multiple images. And I'm using Photoshop CS3. So let's get started with Control plus A to create new documents. So I'm using a short paper size with a resolution of 72 with a width 8.5, 11 height with a portrait. So this will be now my working area. So we'll open the images. So make your own images. I will try to sample this one and another one. So I will copy this image, Control A and Control C to copy. And close this one. I will go to the main, paste this on this area, and go back to the penguin. So on these images, I will try to duplicate. So I will avoid damage of the original photos. So how to zoom in, out, and roll over the mouse. So I am using you can use polygonal lasso to select, zoom in, alt plus, and just use this lasso tool. Or you can use pin tool on the to make a marquee on these images. So for this video, I am using the polygonal lasso tool. So we will remove the background of this. For this demonstration, I am using polygonal, but I'm not using this as a marquee. In my production, I am using the polygonal, but for this video, for the beginner, we'll try to use the polygonal acetal. So we will point the corner of our polygonal, so we'll have the marquee. Just Control C to copy and go back to the main and Control V to paste and go back again to the we will try to mark again this head of a penguin, same process. You can use alt plus to zoom in. Can use space bar, so move over the hand as you can move. So it is much easier if you're using pin tool, but we'll try to focus on this one, polygonal. Pin tool is beautiful, but it's kinda hard to control if you're a beginner. So for this video, I'll try to focus polygonal. Alt negative to zoom out. So we'll point the starting line of the polygonal to have a marking, and we'll Control C to copy and go back. I'll close this one. No. And this one. Just paste and Control N to move. No. Just move those. The shortcut is pieces. Okay. So this will be the first head and the second head. So we'll try to control and another layer 3, the control plus P to resize and double click. I'll go back to the layer 1, alt zoom out, control P, control plus P to resize the background image. And so okay, so again I will try to resize. And so on this left side of the layer 3, the head penguin, I'll use the erase tool, eraser tools, then click the brush, and the brush will be 100 to faded, or you can use this one. I will try to stick 100, and we'll select the edge of this penguin too. Oh, okay. And for the layer 2, alright, so we'll make a blur. Just double click the layer 3, and the bending will be 70 or 60. 60. We'll copy, right click, copy layer, paste in the layer 2, and now it's how to make it move. Okay, so we'll blur the layer, or just cancel. This time we'll try to put text and dot white lighthouse memories. But for now, we'll stick with the lighthouse. And well, how to zoom in? Control Shift, press greater than to make the text size bigger, and fit in. Move, Control P to resize, and move on this part, and another text with memories. And this one, and we'll put a style lighthouse. So we'll try to focus on the yellow, maybe this one, scalpel. Yes, and okay, to put a stroke of light, right, the gray color. Now let's say to the size of 1. And the drop down shadow, choose the angle, slide, we'll put the outer glow, and that's it. Try to, okay, and for the memories, we'll copy the lighthouse, copy layer, paste to the memory, and we have some style, and we will put some text again, and we'll put some cinema nationwide. change size, and that one I'll try to change the font until Argo. Argo. And, and we'll try to put another shapes on this area. Let's zoom in. That's the rest will drag to the bottom box. And then we will cut this area, paste, change the color into white. Try to put the text of a black color, change the black. Okay, and I'll try to put a date. As an example, you have it. Try to put style, double click. I'll put the drop down shadow. Try to size. Okay, and okay. Now, so we'll resize Control keys to select the background white. We'll pick faded, double click, blending, same as on the we'll copy the layer. Now we'll just blur, copy layer style, Control P, Control and left click the to redirect the layer one, paste layer. Now we'll try to double click and the blending option will be. So we have the combining multiple images and a text and shapes, and that's it. We'll try to save this one. Control Shift S to save this desktop, and then JPEG cover. Save. Now count. We'll put to the D excess or sample cover. Multi, yes, and okay. Try to open and the cover sample cover. So here it goes. We have now the multiple images, and that's it. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.